We have an order for birthday cards, 100 of them for Anita. The first thing we do is print them. Once they're all printed, we need to fold them. Press down on this crease, but don't press down too hard. The next thing we need to do is cut. This is our paper cutter, and it's all set up with a jig here, so we know exactly how it needs to be inserted. So let's see if I can get this. You lift up the green lever. Insert the card to be cut. Push down the green lever and push down on the number 3 green lever and cut. Then you have 2 birthday cards. But that's just one. So you need to go back to the lever that's labeled with the number 2. And then it will release the second birthday card. Okay. After that, we need to package them. Because this order is for SACID, we have SACID labels made. So here's the envelope. Here's the front, there's the back. Remove one label from the sheet and neatly put on the back of the envelope. And repeat. We also have to work on quality control. So if you'll notice, this label is creased, okay? So it's wrinkled and it doesn't look good. So we're not going to use that label, probably the first 2 labels, because they look like they have a crease. So we're gonna go down to the next one. Put it in the middle. Push it down, and there you go. I'm going to do one more because I have one more set of cards that is cut. Again, we're going to skip the first 2. I'm sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Skip those and go for the next one. Flatten it down, and there you go. So after we've made the envelopes and the cards are ready to go, because we printed, folded, and cut, we have a stack, okay? Take the envelope, open the flap with one hand, and put the card in like that. So this is the way that we're going to give it to the SACID secretary, so that way when she's ready to give it to Ms. McGuffin, Dr. McGuffin can sign it and send it on its way. Okay. I have a couple. I have a few more here. So envelope, open the flap, put the card just under the flap, and put in your pile, your finished pile. Okay. Envelope, open the flap, card in, finished pile. Okay, so that's 4. 96 more to go.